Today we're playing a Roblox obby, but if I fall, then I explode. Let's go. Please, this obby is really easy. I know how people feel at this. Checkpoint, I'm a pro at this. Oh my god, easy jump, easy jumps, and we did it. Let's go. Disappearing stairs? No match for me. I didn't even disappear in the first place. Look. Oh my god, Shay R. I almost fell down there. Okay, anyways, for this next one, it's gonna be so easy. You see.